eyes in a static haze. Night takes off like a bullet train.
Who would have thought nga dulaki nga nag-chat ka kon 6 years ago ag hapabang dan kong base makon dealer it front row. Hedaya taro ba laki nga makaibahan na akong dayang adlaw mara.
Oh, you're like an earthquake inside of me. Oh, it's like I'm learning how to breathe. Catch a wildfire in your eyes, I'm under. Pull me in close, light me up like summer. Stars will burn out long before we do. Love hits me.
Looking back, Von met me when I'm not on my best. When I'm on my lowest point in life, tagawakot kayang itao, wakot ikapabugal, agwakot disposition sang kabuhi. You taught me how to remember myself again. You taught me how to value and love myself more.
Wanted and all we gotta do is hold on. Oh, you're like an earthquake inside of me. Oh, it's like I'm learning how to breathe. Catch a wildfire in your eyes, I'm under. Pull me in close, light me up like summer. Stars will burn out long before we do. We're out on the edges, we're this close to heaven. Oh, it's never letting us go. Oh, you're like an earthquake inside of me. Oh, a sunrise morning view. Oh, all I know right now is all I want is you. Catch a wildfire in your eyes, I'm under. Pull me in close, let me up like summer. Stars will burn out. Stars will burn out long before we do.
Congrats. Ay, siyempre ako yung asaka, congrats. Pero way back 2019, nagkapsat pa kita, ande. Ano naman kita nakita sa Manila. Siyempre, alert makaroon. Kina-expect nga magkailangan kita. And then, less than a year, yung sampit ang mag-dipin, which is against atong both families, pero yung padahin nga po natin. And then, pagka next day, katulad nagkaroon ni lockdown. Katulong beside atong nga pagkilaya at mga pagsubok. Then makaroon, niya kagapon nga kon, salamat gid, napaswerte ko giti mo.
Our life is a record of our roller coaster rides. Life was never easy. It is a kind of life na wa naton gonna expect nga ma-experience, but we handled it up until today. I want to thank you for being strong and you allowed me to be weak. Thank you for making it all para kakon. I always tell you nga dahil ti mo, tanan na para kakon ay nagiging madali.
Napromisaw ti mo nga maging bibigyan nga maging nga palanggaon ka adlaw-adlaw. I assure you nga maging responsable ako bilang asawa, may commitment, and then I make sure nga maging okay akong tatay sa akong mga future nga magiging unga. Kasi dapat ginawa, una gid okay mo, at suportahan ko tanan nimo nga decision as long as sa ikamayad mo at imo mga dreams pa nga wa mo panabot sing kabuhi, suportahan ko gid. I love you.
I want to promise all of my love that I can give. I'll promise to try my best to remain calm and gentle. I promise to do my best all through our life. And for Born Again, thank you for making it with me. You are the most wonderful thing that happened. And I promise to cherish and stay with you always. I love you, and yes, we finally made it.
Able to love and serve your husband. You want to love and be true to your wife. Congratulations, you may now kiss your bride.